Stop scrolling from my friend Jacob Deathridge at Deathridge Peppers. Look at it. Would you look at it? We're about to eat this and tell you just how hot we think it is. Here we go. Ah, oh God. This hurts already. We're starting off at a 4. Shut up and burn. Man, that is hot. Right now, I'm everybody of a 6.5. Wow, there's a lot of stinging to this pepper. Man, this is a painful pepper. We're every bit of a 7 right now. We're at a 7.5. Throat burns coming, mouth is working hard right now. We're creeping up on an 8. We're pushing 8.5. Damn, this is hot. A lot of stinging, a lot of fire, a lot of throat burn. Maybe I wouldn't eat a pepper X. I don't know. Oh, pepper burp. This feels better. The heat is way, way, way up there. So, hey, I want to thank Jacob at Deathridge Peppers for sending these out to me. We've got some more to do. I love you guys. Keep it spicy. Stop scrolling. We are back, and we are back with this humongous big yellow mama. That's easily the size of what, 3 peppers? These two come from my good friend Jacob Deathridge at Deathridge Peppers. Here we go. Ah, oh, very citrusy pepper. But yeah, right now we're every bit of a 3. Shut up and burn. Yeah, some of these peppers just hit different. Yeah, right now my mouth is about a 4.5. But it's burning, man. We're 5.5. It does have a little bit of stinging to it, so feeling that it's crossed with some kind of scorpion pepper. So yeah, my mouth is still stinging quite a bit. All right, so that's about all we're gonna get out of this one. That one's about a strong 6.5. Got a very good heat, very good flavor. So hey, I want to thank again Jacob Deathridge and Deathridge Peppers for getting this box of peppers out to me. We got some more to do. Hey, I love you guys. Keep it spicy. Stop scrolling. We are back, and we are back with a pepper. This is called Lucifer's mustard. This comes from my good friend Jacob Deathridge at Deathridge Peppers. Here we go. Ah. Oh. So this has got some citrus to it with a hint of floral to it. Right now we're starting off at a 3. Shut up and burn. Yeah, this has got the wings of my tongue on fire right now. We're every bit of a 5. Right now I'm every bit of a 6. I feel like I kind of got like dragon's breath. Right now it's about a 6.5. Pepper burp. Yeah, we're still at that 6.5. Hey, I want to thank Jacob Deathridge Peppers for sending these out to me. I love you guys. Keep it spicy. Stop scrolling. This one is a giant orange scorpion. Look at that thing. I like that Carolina Reaper or California Reaper that I had to do the voiceover on. If you were watching my California Reaper video, they're stupid there. I said Carolina Reaper when it wasn't a Carolina. That's why I voiced over, and obviously it sounded voiced over. But as I keep talking blah blah blah, that's why I tell myself shut up and burn, because I talk too much. But yeah, this is an orange, again giant orange scorpion pepper. A little bad spot on it, but I think it's all right. Here we go. All right. So you got that citrus flavor. Heat's kind of at the back of my throat. Really, right now, feeling about a 2 on the heat on this. Let's see if it climbs. Shut and burn. We're about a 3 right now. All right, so right now we're right around a 4. I don't want to say it could get much hotter than this. It's a good burn, good tasting pepper. Make it, again, the type of pepper that I think would make a great sauce. Nose is starting to run just a little bit. Not quite as hot as the pepper yesterday. And that one was a 5. This one's a 4. It's not going to climb much more. Again, Jason, variety of peppers, man. They don't all have to be super hot. You know, keep the variety. I love the variety of peppers that you got. So, hey, we're not getting any higher than a 4 today. So, thank you for watching. Keep it spicy. Stop scrolling. We are back, and we are back with a pepper. This comes from my friend David Bro. We got 1 stem and 2 peppers. This is a pink tiger cross. Isn't that crazy? I don't think I've ever seen this. We'll let you know if it's twice as hot. Here we go. A lot to chew, a lot to swallow. Holy crap. Ooh. Right now we're at a 3.5. Shut up and burn. Ooh. Yeah, right now I'm about a 4.5. Oh yeah, this is burning. Right now we're every bit of a 6. Oh yeah, she's climbing. You saw a little head shake there. We're up to a 7. Right now we're on fire. We're at a 7.5. Right now I'm at a 7.5 and I want it to stop. Yeah, I'm surprised this is lasting as long as it has. We're at a strong 7.5 right now. Pepper burp. Some of you were waiting for that, weren't you? Comment how you would react if you ate a pepper like this. All right, so we've kind of leveled off here. Not going to get much more reaction out of me than this. I want to thank David Bro for getting these peppers to me. Sorry for the delay in doing the review. I've just got a bunch of peppers from different people, and I just picked some of my own. We'll have to do a video of that as well. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Keep it spicy.